channel. Yes, so thank you for your request, and today we're going to be talking about eyebrows, how to do eyebrows, so how to draw your eyebrows. Well, it's really simple, it's really easy, and it's all there on your natural beauty, so we're going to be talking about it today. Okay, so before we continue, let me remind you that I am Nancy, and I'm with Nancy Carolina Hair, and I am a licensed cosmetologist, and I've been doing hair for about 10 years. I'm being behind the chair. I'm also a makeup artist. We love doing makeup and updos, weddings, all kinds of stuff. It's so much fun. So thank you so much for liking my channel, and I hope we can do a little more tutorials on what I like to do. So let's go. There, you're going to be needing some products, and the products you can find them pretty much anywhere. The products that I'm going to be using on this video, I got them from Target, so I'm going to try to post all the names of the items that I use, so you can get them, or you can use whatever you have at home, whatever is easy for you. That's great. So, and I know you'll do amazing because you want statement eyebrows like mine. All right, so we're gonna be doing that today. Ready? Let's go. Hey guys, well, getting here. All right, so due to our request, I'm doing this video to show you how I do my eyebrow. Yes, so just like anybody else, I have my routine before I do my makeup, and I prepare my skin for anything that I'm gonna do, whether it's with your toner, serums, or creams, sunscreen. Most of my makeup has sunscreen, but I like to wear sunscreen on a regular basis. Okay, so most of us have our natural arc. Some of us like to draw different, like a different arc. That's fine, whatever you want to do. But in my case, I like to draw pretty much my natural arc, and it's just right there, as you can see it. I'm gonna look at this side of the camera. So pretty much right there, and that's what I'm going to be following today. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this L'Oréal eyebrow gel. This is a waterproof gel, and with the package it comes with this brush right here, which is an angle brush right there, and then it has this little brush in the end so you can brush your eyebrows as well, which I actually do. So you're gonna need a brush. This is for your concealer, which I don't really do a concealer to modify anything, especially right here on the ends to make it a little more like a nice line. I also have my Sephora concealer. This is one of my favorite. You can't really see much of like which one I have right here, but this is one of my favorite colors. This is 29 Golden Honey. I have golden tones, so you want to get your makeup accordingly to your skin tones, undertones, and everything else. Right there, and just apply a little bit, and then I start drawing my eyebrow. I like to start from the top, right? And just follow my arc. A little more, and then I go back. I'm gonna draw it. Go back and do kind of the same thing. Now everybody's different. I like it more like an ombre, so I like to leave this area just a little lighter and then work into a deeper darker. So it's pretty much everyone's choice. This is the way I do mine. So just keep pretty much filling in with your gel. And then I grab this part of the brush and then I just gonna brush it. So if you have any imperfections, that is fine because that's where your makeup brush, your concealer brush, and your concealer are going to help you with. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab my concealer brush, this one right here, Kate and Murphy, and I'm going to go with the Sephora today, the Sephora concealer. So just tap just a little bit on it and start working, drawing just on the outside of your eye. Okay, go all the way there. And yes, I like to work it all the way. There's a nose. Fine, right there. Okay. And just grab a little bit more because I'm going to be working it on the outside of the eyebrow too. You see, like, this is so awesome. Like, it doesn't run. You can be sweating. You can be doing whatever you want to do outdoors. I'm a very outdoorsy person, so I will be running around and doing crazy stuff. So I really like the fact that if I have to wipe my face, it's not gonna come on my fingers or anything like that, or all over my hand or my clothes. You know, when you reach out to give your boyfriend a kiss and like your whole makeup is on them, that's not very sexy, ladies. Not very sexy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this area right here, and I like to start from a little big. There we go.
Again, I like to make them look like ombre. So, there we go. You give me your whole eye together. And like that. There it is.
And now you want to go ahead and do something on your other eyebrow. You want to prep your eyelids for your eye makeup, and you can use that brush the same times I use whatever is fastest for me. So just like really nice and gentle with your fingers when it comes by the eye area. And again, you can do the same thing on my other eye. Okay. Nicely right here, and just keep it pretty much in. I can kind of go back a little bit on that little area and just clean it up a little bit and have it ready for my eye makeup. And that's what I like. So with any liquid makeup, you want to go ahead and let it dry. So now to set up your concealer on your eyelid, I'm going to be using this banana loose powder. There you go, you see it right there. And I just want to stay more on the natural tones today. I'm going to apply this with the brush, or in my case, I'm going to be using a sponge to so the eyelashes that I'm wearing today are the Fox Mink Ardell's, and these are the wispy ones, and that's gonna be a different video where I'm gonna show you my favorite eyelashes. These are like my everyday eyelashes. It looks so natural, it looks so good, and this is so cute, you know.